Hello, friends. I am Dr. Paus Polos. I like to tell a few words about Gandharva Hastadi Kashayam and its benefits, its dosage, its side effects, ingredients, and reference. Gandharva Hastadi Kashayam is an amazing Ayurvedic medicine used in treating different types of digestive diseases such as anorexia, bloating, and it's in the form of herbal decoction. And nowadays, it's available in the form of tablets. This medicine is very famous in Kerala traditional Ayurvedic practice, and a lot of pharmacies are manufacturing this kashayam, such as Vaidyaratnam, Kottakkal, SNA, Sidaram. A lot of pharmacies are manufacturing this very wonderful kashayam. It is used in treatment of bloating. Also, it has a cleansing effect on the intestine. It will develop appetite for the patient. It will relieve the anorexia, and it will help to have a harmless purging for the patient. Whenever the purging is necessary for the patient, the doctor is suggesting this kashaya along with some type pathyas. Okay, and traditionally it is indicated in vata disorder. It will ignite the digestive fire and enhances the digestion capacity, and it's known as Agni Deepaka. It's good for anorexia. It's known as Aruji, Malashodaka, because it helps in the evacuation of bowels. It has effects on Tridosha. It balances the Vata at the level of large intestine. Some people sometimes have some side effects such as loose motion while taking this kashaya. So it had to be taken only under a doctor's observation. It's very essential. So I will tell about this kashayam dosage. So the adult dosage is about 10 to 15 ml of kashaya with 60 or 50 ml of light hot water. It had to be taken in empty stomach once or twice a day as directed by an Ayurvedic doctor or Ayurvedic physician. In traditional Ayurvedic practice, it is advised, this kashaya is advised to be taken with rock salt or with jaggery in the concentrated form. It had to be diluted. Only in that way it had to be used. Or if you are taking this kashaya tablet, you can take 3 kashaya tablet on morning and 3 kashaya tablet on evening on empty stomach. Okay, it is advisable. If for children's only maximum 5 ml is advised, or 1 tablet is advised BD. And this herbal medication has a lot of benefits while you are using. It contains Gandharva Hasta, that is Ricinus communis, Chirivilla, that is Holoptilia integrifolia, and Chitraga, Plumbago, Zeylanica, Ginger, Syngiber officinalis, Padya, that is Terminalia, Cebula, Punarnava, Boihavia diffusa, Evasha, that is Evasha, and also Bhumithala, that is Phyllanthus niruri. This medicine is available for a lot of pharmacies, and it's available in the market. It's available online, and it is having a mild purgative effect and mild laxative effect if it is taken on a low dose. And mostly this kashaya is advised for 7 to 14 days. It will help to balance the vata and internal disorders. A lot of internal disorders that is related with the lumbar region, low back region, such as spondylosis, back pain, heel pain, foot pain. Such type of conditions will be alleviated by this kashaya. It's a wonderful medicine. It's told in different classical textbook. In Sahasra Yoga, it is told. There is a sloga about Gandharva Sadi Kashaya, Gandharvasta Chirivilla Hudasha Vishwa, Padhyapanannavayavasha Bhumi Tale, Khwada Sasaindavaguda, Pavanasya Shandi, Vahnir Balaya, Richu Maloshodhanaya. So I think this information will help you. to know more about this kashaya, and it's a wonderful medicine. You can try it under a doctor's supervision. Oh, thank you once and all, and keep touch. Subscribe this channel, and I will be uploading further videos about Ayurvedic medicines, Ayurvedic medicinal plants. So subscribe and keep touch.